suede feel to it, so I will definitely be trying this one on. I hope you like my hair, like I said. So that's the first one. I will put, as always, the description in the description box and the price as well, my people. And then I have hello friends. So today we have surprise. It is my favorite video making in the spring. As you can see, we have some light here. So let us, it's a Temu. But before we start, for those of you that are new, my name is Tumi. I am known as definitely Tumi to my beloved people that usually join me on this channel. We do lifestyle, travel, and a little bit of everything else in between. We relocated to the UK 3 years ago. So without further ado, don't forget to like, subscribe. Bought some bits and bobs. Sorry, bits and bobs on, I hope you can hear me, bits and bobs for spring for myself. And some of it was I'm catching up to the winter that was. I hope you guys survived winter. So let's start the big one. Ooh. You know, I'm not a hat person, but when I saw these hats, I thought, this is the hat, and it is just so I'll put the price up, but it's a bit plasticky, like the inside of it, to protect you, to keep it from being otherwise. Size 50. So like this, love this. I'm gonna try this out, but it's more a wintry hat. So, oh, the belt fell. But yeah, oh, I like this belt. Very nice, suede feel to it. So I will definitely be trying this one on. I hope you like my hair, like I said. So that's the first one. I will put, as always, the description in the description box and the price as well, my people. And then I have oh, this lovely bag. This I wanted it for, you know, when you're going out, you want a little handbag that you can carry with you. Oh, I thought it was sequins. It's a good thing that it's not sequenced. So it's quite cute. You can open it or just carry it like this. It reminds me of the YSL bag. And so I will be using this for and going out. Cute. I'll show you the part from this side. And then we have, oh, I had bought the satin skirt. I think you saw it on one of my winter dress ups on this video. Let's take the video there. Isn't this lovely? Look at the color. Oh, plus I'm wearing. So yeah, this is quite gorgeous. And I like that the inside as well. Quite a lovely size. Maybe a size is larger, but extra large because you never know the Chinese sizes. But I love the color. So that's a certain purple skirt, as you can see. Still into my purple. But I'll probably wear it with something cream and my cream shoes that I bought at Zara. Maybe I'll do a dress up for you. And that. And then I had, oh, I wanted to do the big bangles. I leave everything on the description box, but I'll show you the description here as well. Oh, I love these guys. Hello, and I love them that they are in threes. Okay, yeah. Hopefully you can put these. You can roll them in threes. I'm not gonna open them, but yeah. Nice. What else did I buy for myself? Let's see. Oh, these are the hose, the pantyhose. I like the design. This is for my lady. So, see the design on this. Let's see. I like this. So you can dress them up for when you go to work or church. Okay, what else did I get here? Oh, this is my lip liner stuff that I got here. It's gonna be a long haul, guys. Never mind me rating this. So guys, before I continue, please, if you can see my numbers, if you could please subscribe. Would really appreciate it. It'd help us to go a long way. It's not easy doing this work. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Okay. So anyway, my people, this one is for, you know, the glossy lip liner and whatnot. I love this. Comes with the, so this is like a elegant matte color. Yeah, love these. She look nice. And then I've got what I have here. Oh, this is a top. Oh, this is my silk pillow. It's not silk. So you know that I'm trying to keep my hair natural. So this is my pillowcase. Silk pillowcase. Oh, there's actually two. I choose pink. Yes. This is just to keep my hair looking okay-ish. And then I think these are bits and bobs. I've never bought a lot of clothes in Temu before, till last year. Oh, and I like this top. It's a sheer brown, almost burgundish, but I like the color. Okay. And it's a large size, as you can see. It's very sheer, so you might need to wear a camisole of some sort underneath it. Okay, got that. And like I said, I'll put the prices up. Oh, these are just the lights for my son. You know, the little lighting for his room. Oh, battery's not included, of course. Just to make his room look a little cheap. Like I said, these are bits and bobs. A brown eyebrow pencil. I need that for my eyebrow pencil. I haven't shaped my eyebrow pencil in a while. My eyebrows in a while. And then I also bought, what do I have here? Oh, these are my stick-ons. As you can see, I've got, if you like this color, dark brown color. So I thought it would be fun to test these. And what do I have now? Oh, yes. These are some, the just reading glasses. I actually fancy them. Let's try these on. You let me know what you think. Oh, yeah? Oh, I kind of like these. All right, my people, let's plans don't survive, so I bought these. So that's my So that's it, my people. I'll see you in the next one. My recording stopped. So, yeah, thank you very much for joining us. Bye.